Hello friends, welcome to the RK Pharma Rockstar YouTube channel. Again today we are going to discuss test paper number 9. Test paper number 9 for ESIC pharmacist examination which is held on 10th of December 2023 and ZP pharmacist examination which is held on 21st of December and 26th of December. Okay. So, those who are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe the session. So, our first question is, the atom which consumes 70% of total budget of inventories but represent only 10% of total inventories are called. The options are given here: A atom, B atoms, C atoms and D atoms. Which one is correct? So, our first option, option A is correct, that is A atoms. The atom which consumes 70% of total budget of inventories but represent only 10% of total inventories, that is known as atom A. Got it? Next question. The following are the types of encapsulation technique except air suspension, pan coating, spray drying, congealing and compression coating. Which one is correct? So the correct answer is compression coating. Compression coating. The following are the types of encapsulation technique except. Which one is not? That is compression coating. Got it? Next question. The pharma industries where the pharma machineries are manufactured are known as. The pharma industry where the pharma machineries are manufactured are known as. That is known as ancillary industry. That is known as ancillary industry. That is option A is correct. Next question. The anterior pituitary secrete. The anterior pituitary is secrete oxytocin, ADH, endorphins and TRH. Which one is correct? So, the anterior pituitary secrete, that is endorphins. Option C is correct. Next question. Heparin is a, what is heparin? So, heparin is a polysaccharide. Heparin is a polysaccharide. Option B is correct. Next question. Multiple shops deals in. Multiple shops deals in all goods, same types of good, specified same types of good, specified types of good. Which one is that? The multiple shop deals in specified same type of the goods. Got it? Next question. Chemically, Mayer's reagent is. Chemically, Mayer's reagent is. What is Mayer's reagent? तो मेयर्स रिएजेंट होता है पोटेशियम मर्क्यूरिक आयोडाइड. व्हाट इज मेयर्स रिएजेंट? पोटेशियम मर्क्यूरिक आयोडाइड. दैट इज ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. साइनोफोरिक ग्लाइकोसाइड प्रेजेंट इन लिंसीड इज. साइनोफोरिक ग्लाइकोसाइड प्रेजेंट इन लिंसीड इज. ये होता है लिनामेरिन. कौन होता है? Lineamerin. Option A is correct. Cyanophoric glycoside present in linseed acid, linseed is, that is lineamerin. Next question. The junction between the two nerves is called. The junction between two nerves is called synapse, ganglion, dendrite, end plate. Which one is correct? The junction between two nerves is called synapse. The junction between two nerves is called synapse. Next question. Satellite pharmacy is a mode of drug distribution system under. Satellite pharmacy, a mode of drug distribution system under charge floor stock system, centralized unit dosage dispensing system, decentralized unit dose dispensing system, individual prescription system. Which one is correct? So the option number C is correct. That is decentralized unit dosage dispensing system. Got it? Next, penicillamine is a. Penicillamine is a. What is penicillamine? तो पेनिसिलामाइन इज अ चिलैटिंग एजेंट. पेनिसिलामाइन होता है चिलैटिंग एजेंट. गॉट इट? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज कोल्ड स्टरलाइजेशन? What is cold sterilization? The options are given here. The sterilization under the low temperature, sterilization by ultrasonic vibration, sterilization in refrigerator, and the sterilization by gamma rays. Which one is correct? What is cold sterilization? So cold sterilization is sterilization by the gamma rays. Next one. Predetermined scrap is referred to as. Predetermined scrap is referred to as anticipated scrap, administrative scrap, legitimate scrap, defective scrap. Which one is correct? So predetermined scrap is referred as legitimate scrap. Option C is correct. Next question. Opium does not contain the following except. Opium does not contain the following except beconic acid, calcium oxalate, tannins and starch. So opium contain starch, tannins and calcium oxalate. So which one is except? So option A is except meconic acid. Option A is correct. Next question. Mannitol is an excellent choice for chewable tablet because it has positive heat of solution, negative heat of solution, zero heat of solution, none of the above. Which one is correct? So the mannitol is an example. Mannitol is an excellent choice for chewable tablets because it has negative heat of solution. Because it has negative heat of solution. That is option B is correct. Next question. The Conference Board is an organization for compiling the index of leading indicator, microeconomic indicators, market indicators, and aggregate indicators. Which one is correct? So the Conference Board is an organization for compiling the index that is leading indicator. Option A is correct. Next question. Freely movable joints are cartilage, synovial, fibrous, all of the above. So freely movable joints are synovial. Option number B is correct. Freely movable joints are synovial. Next question. Partner does not take any active part in the management of the firm's business is called as active partner, sleeping partner, secret partner, nominal partner. Which one is correct? The partner does not take any active part in the management of the firm, that is called sleeping partner. That is called sleeping partner. Got it? Next question. A wholesaler acts as a link between manufacturer and filling the blank. A wholesaler acts as a link between manufacturer and the options are given here: retailer, doctor, agent, consumer. Which one is that? So, the wholesaler acts as a link between manufacturer as well as retailer. That is option A is correct. Next question. Which of the following is not associated with the hypokalemia? Which of the following is not associated with hypokalemia? Which one is that? Hydrochlorothiazide, furosemide, triamterene, amphotericin B. Which one is that? तो ये होता है triamterene. Option C is correct. The total number of vertebrae in human being is 40, 22, 38 and 33. Which one is correct? The total number of vertebrae in human being is option number D, that is 33. How much? 33. Next question. The capacity of the drug to cause the fetal abnormality is termed as. the capacity of the drug to cause the fetal abnormality is termed as, that is called teratogenicity. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? teratogenicity. That is option A is correct. ठीक है. Next question. Chemically kaolin is a, what is chemically kaolin is a? तो केमिकली काओलिन होता है हाइड्रेटेड एल्यूमिनियम सिलिकेट. हाइड्रेटेड एल्यूमिनियम सिलिकेट. दैट इज ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नोन एज अ इंडियन जेंशन? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नोन एज अ इंडियन जेंशन? तो ए होता है पिक्रोजिया, पिकोरिजा, कोरिया. पिकोरिजा, कोरिया. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. पिक्रोरिजा कोरिया. सॉरी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डिप्थेरिया इज कॉज बाय. डिप्थेरिया इज कॉज बाय बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, बोथ, नन ऑफ द अबव. विच वन इज करेक्ट? तो डिप्थेरिया इज कॉज बाय बैक्टीरिया. Diphtheria is caused by bacteria. Got it? Next question. Automatic stop order is used for OTC drug, dangerous drug, orphan drugs, counter left drug. Which one is correct? So the automatic stop order is used for dangerous drug. That is option B is correct. Next question. During protein synthesis, the amino acid sequence is specified in ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, messenger RNA, soluble RNA. Which one is correct? During the protein synthesis, the amino acid sequence is specified in, ये होता है messenger RNA. That is option C is correct. Which one is correct? Option C is correct. Next question. Which of the following is not an antioxidant? Which of the following is not an antioxidant? The options are given here. Sodium bisulfite, sodium sulfite, sodium bisulfite, sodium chloride, sodium metabisulfite. Which one is correct? Which is not antioxidant? तो ये होता है सोडियम क्लोराइड. सोडियम क्लोराइड इज नॉट अ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following are intestinal infection? Which of the following are intestinal infection? Polio, cholera, hepatitis, and the option D is all of the above. Which one is correct? So intestinal infection में polio, cholera, hepatitis सब आता है. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next question. The number of nominated members to the State Pharmacy Council are, the options are given here, 4, 3, 6 and 5. Which one is correct? So number of nominated members to the State Pharmacy Council are, that is 5. Option number D is correct. Next question. The efficiency of HEPA filter can be tested using, what is HEPA? What is HEPA? तो HEPA मीन्स होता है हाई इफिशियंसी पार्टिकुलेट एयर. हाई इफिशियंसी पार्टिकुलेट एयर. पार्टिकुलेट एयर. Got it? So the efficiency of HEPA filter can be tested by using, तो ये होता है डायोक्टिल थैलेट स्मोक टेस्ट. डायोक्टिल थैलेट स्मोक टेस्ट. दैट इज ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. Next question. Which of the following drug is not an alkaloid? Opium, Dioscorea, tea and Vasaka. Which one is that? So, Dioscorea is not an alkaloid. Dioscorea is not an alkaloid. Next question. Which of the following is a bitter glycoside? Gentian, Quassia, Chirartha, all of the above. Which one is correct? सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. क्या पूछा था? बिटर ग्लाइकोसाइड. सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. द टर्म बायो अवेलेबिलिटी रेफर टू द, द टर्म बायो अवेलेबिलिटी इज रेफर टू द, क्या होता है बायो अवेलेबिलिटी? तो ये होता है मेजरमेंट ऑफ द रेट एंड द एक्सटेंट्स ऑफ थेरापिटिकली एक्टिव ड्रग दैट रीचेज द सिस्टेमिक सर्कुलेशन. व्हाट इज दैट? Measurement of rate and extent of therapeutically active drug that reaches the systemic circulation. That is known as bioavailability. That is known as bioavailability. That is option B is correct. Got it? Next question. Bile salt can be identified by. किससे होता है bile salt identify? तो ये होता है by Hayes state. हेज टेस्ट, कौन से टेस्ट से होता है? हेज टेस्ट. हेज टेस्ट. गॉट इट? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्लोफाजिमाइन इज एन डेरिवेटिव. क्लोफाजिमाइन इज एन डेरिवेटिव. पायराजिन, फिनोथायाजिन, फेनाजाइन, azepine. Which one is correct? So the option C is correct. That is phenazine. Which one is correct? Option C is correct. Then next, MOA, that is monoamine oxidase of fluorouracil is. MOA of fluorouracil is. तो क्या होता है? ये होता है इनिबिशन ऑफ थाइमिडाइलेट सिंथेसिस. क्या कराता है ये? मैकेनिज्म MAO. ये कराता है इनिबिशन ऑफ थाइमिडाइलेट सिंथेसिस. दैट इज ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फार्मेसी एंड थेरापेटिक कमिटी हैज रोल एक्सेप्ट ADR monitoring and reporting, preparation of drug list and emergency supplies, medical record service, and the last one, drug utilization review. Which one is not that? तो ये होता है मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड सर्विस. मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड सर्विस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द डिसीज दैट कंप्लीटली इरेडिकेटेड फ्रॉम इंडिया थ्रू द सिस्टमेटाइज इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम. तो ये होता है स्मॉल पॉक्स. विच वन इज करेक्ट? दैट इज ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. स्मॉल पॉक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. गुडविल इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ. तो गुडविल किसका एग्जाम्पल होता है? इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स, करंट एसेट, फिक्स एसेट, नन ऑफ द अबव. तो गुडविल इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंटेंजिबल एसेट. दैट इज ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन इज सिक्रेटेड बाय. तो थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन किससे सिक्रेट होता है? बाय एंटेरियर पिट्यूटरी, hypothalamus, then posterior pituitary and pancreas. Which one is correct? तो thyroid stimulating hormone is secreted by anterior pituitary. That is option A is correct. Anterior pituitary. Got it? Next question. The chairman of the Drug Technical Advisory Board is. The chairman of Drug Technical Advisory Board is the Director General Health Service, Director Central Drug Laboratory Kolkata, President Pharmacy Council of India, and last, the Drug Controller of India. Which one is correct? So option A is correct. The Director General Health Service, that is DGHS. Option A is correct. Next question. Adsorbable suture is nylon suture, silk suture braided 2%, cotton, catgut chronic 2%, 2.0. Which one is correct? So adsorbable suture is that catgut chronic 2.0. Catgut chronic 2.0. Then next one. Strophanthus does not respond to the. Strophanthus does not respond to the legal test, Vanak reagent test, Killer-Kilani test, Baljet test. Which one is that? So A होता है Van Erck reagent test. Van Erck reagent test. Which one is that? Option B is. The next one, adverse effect of cyclosporine include all of the following except. Adverse effect of cyclosporine include all of the following except tremor and seizure. Tremor and seizure. Then hirsutism and gum hyperplasia. Then nephrotoxicity and hypokalemia. Which one is that? So ये होता है hypokalemia. ये होता है hypokalemia. Next question. The percentage change in the quantity caused by 1% change in the price is known as. What is that? Inelasticity of demand, cross price inelasticity, income elasticity of demand, price elasticity of demand. Which one is that? The percentage change in the quantity caused by 1% change in the price is known as price elasticity of demand. That is option B, D is correct. The next, high blood calcium level is due to. High blood calcium level is due to glucagon, calcitonin, parathormone, glucosteroid. So which one is correct? High blood calcium level is due to the parathormone. Option C is correct. Next, pilocarpine is an alkaloid containing pyrazole, pyridine, imidazole, pyrimidine. Which one is that? So pilocarpine is an alkaloid containing imidazole ring. Which one is that? Option C is correct. Next, inventories moving temporarily because of seasonal production are called. तो क्या बोलते हैं इसे? इसे बोलते हैं हम dormant atom. That is called dormant atom. Inventory moving temporarily because seasonal production are called dormant atom. Got it? Next question. Midline is a drug information resource categorized by primary resource, secondary resources and tertiary resources, then primary literature. Which one is correct? So option B is correct. Midline is a drug information resource categorized by secondary resources. Next, theobrommo oil is a type of suppository base. Oleaginous, then hydrophilic, emulsifying, none of the above. तो ये होता है oleaginous. Next question, option A is correct. Then aminophylline IP contain theophylline and aminophylline IP contain theophylline and क्या कंटेन कराता है थियोफाइलिन के साथ? इथिल डायमाइन, इथिलीन मोनोअमाइन, यनियन डाइथिल 1,3 प्रोपिल डायमाइन, ब्यूटिलमाइन. विच वन इज दैट? तो ये होता है इथिलीन डायमाइन. ये होता है इथिलीन डायमाइन. दैट इज ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The main active chemical constituent of eucalyptus is. The main active chemical constituent of eucalyptus is. क्या होता है ये? तो ये होता है सिनियोल. ये होता है सिनियोल. दैट इज ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Tuberculin syringe is available in. Tuberculin syringe is available in 1 ml, 2 ml, 4 ml, 5 ml. तो tuberculin syringe is available in 1 ml. Okay. Next question. Durability of tablet to combine the effect of shock and abrasion is evaluated by using hardness tester, disintegration test apparatus, fibrillator, screw gauge. Which one is that? सो ये होता है फाइब्रिलेटर. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Structure evaluation of patient medication for improving health outcome is termed as. So is termed as medication error, medication review, hospital formulary and pharmacovigilance. Which one is that? तो ये होता है medication review. Got it? Next question. Test for water holding capacity is stated in the Indian Pharmacopoeia for. Test for holding capacity is stated in the Indian Pharmacopoeia for adhesive tape, elastic bandage, crepe bandage, absorbent cotton wool. Which one is that? तो ये होता है absorbent cotton wool. Absorbent कर लेना उसको. Next question. Which of the following is sexually transmitted disease? AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea, all of the above. Which one is that? So, sexually transmitted diseases, all of the above. AIDS, syphilis as well as gonorrhea. Next question. Most of the clinically available anti-cancer have the underlying mechanism of action that act as a cell growth inhibitor. Which one is that? Most of the clinically available anti-cancer have the underlying mechanism of action that act as a cell growth inhibitor. That is option A is correct. Next question. Please like, share and subscribe the session. The protein DNA complex in higher organism is called. The protein DNA complex in higher organism is called. तो क्या बोलते हैं उसे? उसे बोलते हैं क्रोमाटिन. That is called क्रोमाटिन. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. केमिकली विगम इज मैग्नीशियम सिलिकेट, एल्यूमिनियम सिलिकेट, magnesium aluminosilicate and calcium oxide. Which one is that? So vigam is magnesium aluminosilicate. Magnesium aluminosilicate. Option C is correct. Specific M1 receptor antagonist is. Specific M1 receptor antagonist is atropine, hyoscamine, hyoscine and apratropium and pyrenzipine. Which one is that? So specific M1 receptor is pyrenzipine. ठीक है. Pyrenzipine. Option D is correct. Got it? The specific M1 receptor antagonist is pyrenzipine. Next question. Which form number should be used for the application to import the drug for personal use? Which form number? क्या पूछा है? Form number should be used for the application to import the drug for personal use. तो ये होता है form number. Which one is that? 24C, 19, 18, 12A. तो ये होता है 12A. Which one is that? Form number 12A. Next question. Type B gelatin is having the isoelectric point in the region 2, 3, 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 8 to 9. Which one is that? So ये होता है 4 to 5. That is option B is correct. Next question. Following is not a mechanism of size reduction. The options are given here. Impact and attrition, cutting, impact and illustration. Which one is that? तो illustration हमने कभी पढ़ा नहीं है. इम्पैक्ट एंड एट्रिशन भी देखा है, कटिंग देखा है एंड इम्पैक्ट भी देखा है. ठीक है. इम्पैक्ट एंड एट्रिशन किसका वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल होता है? देन इम्पैक्ट किसका होता है? कटिंग किसका होता है एंड डिसइंटीग्रेशन किसका होता है? ये आपको बताना है. डिसइंटीग्रेटर का प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है, वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल, वो आपको बताना है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मेलाटोनिन इज सिक्रेटेड बाय विच ग्लैंड? पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, हाइपोथैलेमस, थायरॉइड, pineal gland. Which one is that? So melatonin is secreted by pineal gland. Option D is correct. Next question. Clean room area means, what is that? Socially clean area free from particulate matter. Then socially clean area, aseptic area, area with a high standard of cleanliness and hygiene. Which one is correct? So the option A is correct. Socially clean area free from particulate matter. Next question. Cochineal content C glycoside which are in the form of coloring agent. Acetic acid, benzoic acid, cinnamic acid, कार्बनिक acid. Which one is that? तो ये होता है कार्बनिक एसिड. कार्बनिक एसिड. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The narcotic drug and psychotropic substance order came into the force 1983, 1985, 1993, 1995. तो केम इंटू फोर्स पूछा है. केम इंटू फोर्स इन कब आया था ये फोर्स में? तो ये आया था 1993 में. एनडीपीएस एक्ट कब आया था आपको बताना है. एनडीपीएस एक्ट कब आया था आपको बताना है. ठीक है. कमेंट करने बोला तो 2-4 लोग कमेंट करेंगे, बाकी सब बैठेंगे. ठीक है. In oil water type emulsion, creaming occurs in fill in the blank direction. Upward direction, downward direction, both direction does not occur. Which one is that? तो ये होता है upward direction में. In oil and water type emulsion, creaming occur in upward direction. Got it? Next question. Then the next question. The condition of weight loss and the muscle atrophy in severe chronic illness is called. The condition of the weight loss and the muscle atrophy in severe chronic illness is called. तो इसे बोलते हैं हम रिकेट्शिया. दैट इज ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? रिकेट्शिया. गॉट इट? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. Which of the following is the semi-solid preparation? Which of the following is a semi-solid preparation? Gels, ointment, cream, all of the above. So ये सारे semi-solid preparation ही है. Gels भी, ointment as well as the cream. So option D is correct. That is all of the above. Next question. The 00 size, 000 size of capsule can fill the volume of. Can fill the volume of. कितना होता है? 0.13 ml, 0.95 ml, 1.36 ml, 0.27 ml. Which one is that? तो ये होता है 1.36 ml. The 000 size of the capsule can fill the volume of 1.36 ml. Next question. The folate deficiency is caused by. The folate deficiency is caused by methotrexate, cyclophosphamide, busulfan, etoposide. Which one is that? तो ये होता है folate deficiency is caused by methotrexate. Folate deficiency is caused by methotrexate. That is option A is correct. Next, a naturally occurring sympatholytic is. A naturally occurring sympatholytic is strychnine, morphine, reserpine, quinine. Which one is that? So that is reserpine. That is reserpine. Option C is correct. Next question. Which of the following serves as one of the laboratories for producing oral polio vaccine? Oral polio vaccine. So this is the homework question for you. Which of the following serve as one of the laboratories for producing oral polio vaccine? Which one is correct option? The option are given here already. Okay. So comment. What is the biological source of glow? What is the biological source of glow? क्या होता है biological source of glow? तो ये होता है Syzygium aromaticum. Syzygium aromaticum. Option A is correct. Syzygium aromaticum. Next question. Picric acid is a chemical composition of Van Eyck's reagent, Mayer's reagent, Hager's reagent, Wagner's reagent. Which one is that? Picric acid is a chemical composition of Hager's reagent. That is option C is correct. Which one is that? Option C is correct. Next question. Saturated solution left behind the process of crystallization is called. Saturated solution left behind the process of crystallization is called final solution, daughter liquor, mother liquor, parent liquor. Which one is that? तो ये होता है mother liquor. Mother liquor. That is option C is correct. Next question. The first central council was constituted by the central government in. कब कॉन्स्टिट्यूट किया था? फर्स्ट सेंट्रल काउंसिल वॉज कंस्टिट्यूटेड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट 1947, 1950, 1949, 1958. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 1949. 1949. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हमने अभी तक के टोटल 80 क्वेश्चन क्रॉस किए हैं. सो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब भी करें. इतना तो मोटिवेट कर ही सकते हैं आप मुझे. इसके बाद आपके लिए नेक्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट भी रेडी है. ठीक है, थोड़ी देर बाद अपलोड हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ये हो गया क्या हमारा? नहीं हुआ ना. नॉन कॉम्पिटिटिव एंजाइम इनिबिटर इज. नॉन कॉम्पिटिटिव एंजाइम इनिबिटर इज एलोप्यूरिनॉल, कार्बिडोपा, फाइसोस्टिग्मिन, एसिटाजोलामाइड. विच वन इज दैट? नॉन कॉम्पिटिटिव एंजाइम इनिबिटर इज acetazolamide. That is option D is correct. Next question. Following are the example of OW type emulsion except. Following are the example of OW type emulsion except milk, shaving cream, vanishing cream and cold cream. Which one is? So except vanishing cream, all are OW type emulsion. Milk OW type emulsion, shaving cream OW type emulsion and cold cream also OW type emulsion. Next question. The policeman of abdomen is called. The policeman of the abdomen is called. तो हम इसे क्या बोलते हैं? इसे बोलते हैं हम greater omentum. That is called greater omentum. Which one is that? Option number D is correct. Greater omentum. Next. Triple vaccine in for the preparation of virus infection protect again. The triple vaccine in for the prevention of virus infection protect against. तो क्या होता है ये? मम्स वायरस, कॉकॉक्सी वायरस, मिजल वायरस, रूबेला वायरस. विच वन इज दैट? तो ये होता है कॉक्साकी वायरस. ये होता है कॉक्साकी वायरस. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच वन इज यूज फॉर द एस्पिरेशन ऑफ स्टमक कंटेंट? विच वन इज यूज फॉर द एस्पिरेशन ऑफ स्टमक कंटेंट? कौन सा होता है? तो ए होता है रायल्स ट्यूब. विच वन इज दैट? रायल्स ट्यूब. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कैटायनिक सर्फेक्टेंट? विच इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कैटायनिक सर्फेक्टेंट? बेंजाल्कोनियम क्लोराइड, पॉलीसॉर्बेट, सोडियम लॉरियल सल्फेट, सॉर्बेटन मोनोलेट. विच वन इज दैट? तो ये होता है बेंजाल्कोनियम क्लोराइड. दैट इज ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ HCl पेप्सिनोजन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू. किस में होता है? तो पेप्सिनोजन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू पेप्सिन. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ HCl पेप्सिनोजन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू पेप्सिन. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which drug is under the chemical class of cyanogenic glycoside? Which drug is under the chemical class of cyanogenic glycoside? Bitter almond, black mustard, digitalis, rhubarb. Which one is that? तो इसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करना है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Vulcanizing agent used for rubber is sulfur, sulfur dioxide, zinc, calcium carbonate. Which one is that? तो vulcanizing agent for rubber is sulfur. Which one? Sulfur. Option A is correct. Next question. In limit test of chloride, which is compared? Turbidity, opalescence, fluorescence, color. Which one is that? So in limit test chloride which is compared to the opalescence, that is option B is correct. Next question. Parathyroid hormone control the metabolism of potassium, iron, copper, calcium. Which one is that? So parathyroid hormone control the metabolism of calcium, that is option D is correct. Next. मोस्ट कॉमन फेज 2 रिएक्शन इज, कौन सा होता है मोस्ट कॉमन फेज 2 रिएक्शन? तो ये होता है ग्लूकोरोनाइड कंजक्शन, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. विच वन इज दैट? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. देन नेक्स्ट. बीसीजी इज अ टाइप ऑफ वैक्सीन. किस टाइप का वैक्सीन है ये? तो बीसीजी इज अ लाइव टाइप ऑफ वैक्सीन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Filling of pellets in capsule is done by. तो filling of pellets in capsule is done by. तो ये होता है रोटोफिल. That is option B is correct. Next question. Which of the following act as a mucolytic? Guanine-facin, noscapine, ephedrine, bromohexine. Which one is that? So mucolytic act as a mucolytic होता है bromohexine. कौन सा होता है? bromohexine. That is option D is correct. Next question. The price that equate the market supply and the market demand is called market restoring price, market depreciating price, then market clearing price, market elastic price. Which one is that? तो ये होता है market clearing price. Option C is correct. Next question. Which of the following is not a respiratory infection? Chicken pox, influenza, plague, measles. Which one is that? So plague is not a respiratory infection disease. Next question. Question number 99. Please like, share and subscribe the session. Next mock test upload करना है अभी. So like और share की संख्या अगर ज़्यादा होगी, नंबर अगर ज़्यादा होंगे तो करूँगी. ठीक है, नहीं तो कल अपलोड करूँगी. Drug inspector should be intimated the purpose of taking the drug sample to the person concerned in form number 15, form number 17, form number 16, form number 21. Which one is that? So ये होता है form number 17. Option B is correct. All metal syringe are sterilized by which method? Moist heat sterilization method, gamma radiation method, dry heat sterilization method, ethylene oxide. Which one is that? So all metal syringe are sterilized by dry heat sterilization method. कौन सा होता है? dry heat sterilization method. So हमने अभी कितने क्वेश्चन कर लिए हैं? We have done 100 क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, अभी हमारे इसके पहले कितने मॉक हो चुके हैं? अभी 700 तो पूरे 7 तो मार्क पूरे कंप्लीट हो गए. तो 7 मॉक ने हमने कंप्लीट किया है पूरे 700 क्वेश्चन. देन उसके बाद कल अपलोड किया था उसमें किए थे 50 क्वेश्चन. सो 750 हो गए. इसमें आज 100 ऐड हो गए तो पूरे हो गए 850। तो पूरे 850 आपको रिवाइज करना है। और अगर लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब अगर ज़्यादा होते हैं तो आज ही नेक्स्ट वाला मॉक टेस्ट अपलोड करूँगी, ठीक है। सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड, देख सकते हो आप, मैंने बना के रखा हुआ है ऑलरेडी। सो थैंक you friend for watching this class. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.